Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prathamesh and in this video we talk about a brand new AI tool called QuantumVerse AI. So, what is a QuantumVerse AI? Basically, QuantumVerse AI is an all-in-one AI stack that gives you more than 10 plus powerful AI tools inside a single dashboard. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions, you get everything in one place. With these tools, you can generate text, video, image, voice, music, code, website scripts, business assets, and lot of more. The best part is, these are not basically or limited versions. QuantumVerse AI gives you full premium levels access to current and upcoming to top AI models like ChatGPT 5, Gemini 2, Grok 4, Claude 3.7, Sonnet, Claude LLaMA, Flux Pro Ultra, DeepSeek version 3, DALL HD, Kling 2.1 Masters, VO3 11 Labs Turbo V 2.5, Stable Diffusion XL, SDXL, and many more. It basically single AI command centers where you can create anything like content, videos, designs, websites, automation, marketing material without switching between tools. This AI tool is perfect for anyone who wants to upscale their opportunity and grow faster in 2025. And the best part is, you don't need to go anywhere else or pay monthly subscription for every single AI tools. If you try to buy all of these AI models separately, you will easily spend more than $1,000 to $2,000 per month every month. But with QuantumVerse AI, you get access to all these premium tools just for one-time price of $17. Yes, you heard right. Just pay $17 and you will get this more than 10 plus AI tool. And the best part is, you can even launch your own monthly AI subscription business using QuantumVerse AI and start charging other while you pay nothing extra. So now, let's jump to the demo so you will get the clear idea of how this works. But before diving into the demo, if you want to buy this tool, please check out the description box. There you will find the link and the auto information and bonus worth of $44,000. These bonuses include free Facebook ad training, affiliate marketing training, a video editing bundle with effects, content mastery training, and more. So let's jump straight to the demo.